Hey there, it's Natasha from natashasgem.com, Global E-commerce Marketing, and thank you very much for tuning in and watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification button so next time I release my new video, you will get the information right away. And today I want to share with you some information that might help you with the basic knowledge of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, how to start, which wallets are better, which platforms are exchange platforms to use for different countries, and just in general. Because now cryptocurrency, Bitcoins, is becoming more and more sensitive subject for a lot of people, and I believe when big giants like Amazon will start take payments with cryptocurrency, a lot of people will jump in and find out about this. So you want to be really proactive, but if you don't know where to start, if you kind of want to test your waters, I'm going to share with you the free video course. It's a very easy step-by-step video modules that you can watch and just get basic education, basic knowledge. And my friend Vitaly Dubinin put it in place, the system and a community of successful entrepreneurs who are already eager to learn about Bitcoins. And this is the best place I believe you can start. So you can find the link. It's a completely free course. You find the link in the description at bitcoinsedu.natashasgem.net. Just go ahead and go through the course. Now, if you're already a marketer and you're searching for the way how you can leverage Bitcoins, you'll find a lot of good information, legit information that you can use and get profits with the cryptocurrency. And I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.